Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make iron boosting orange green smoothie recipe. This iron boosting orange green smoothie is a combination of iron rich ingredients and vitamin C that's help to boosting iron absorption. Iron is necessary for the growth and development of body. Ingredients: 1 orange, fresh spinach, 2 dates, chia seeds, 1 banana and 1 glass of water. Add all the ingredients in a blender jar and also add some ice cubes in it. Blend well until smooth. Spinach is an excellent source iron that helps produce hemoglobin, which transport oxygen in the blood system. Banana is rich in iron content, which is good for people with anemia. It also increases the red blood cells level. Although orange are not a great source of iron, but when we consume them with iron-rich foods, they will enhance the absorption of iron. Dates help in increasing your iron levels. Chia seeds are great source of iron that helps in body cleansing and boosts the count of red blood cells. If you like this video, please hit the like button and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.